Hey guys, so I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Pomade. Sorry I didn't do an intro. I was trying to get right into it because I had to eat my breakfast and get ready for the work day. But I know I'm home, everybody's home, but I just felt like doing makeup look. Not that anybody saw it today. I was on a Zoom call, but nobody's really paying attention. But I was like, you know what, let me just do a makeup look. This is the perfect time to do a makeup look. I'm overdue for a makeup look, so probably gonna do more though, but it's just so weird to like do your makeup and not go anywhere. So it's like I was going for basically a neutral look here because I wanted to do something quick. I was actually surprised of how quick I did this, to be honest. Only 13 minutes. I only know it took me 13 minutes because I'm actually reading the time of the filming, so that's actually not bad because normally I feel like it takes me like 20 something minutes or more, depending on like, you know, what I'm doing. And I'm trying to figure out how to like have the mirror in front of me, because I used to do that where I had the mirror in front of me, but because I changed placements, because I got my backdrop somewhere else now in my room, it's a little harder to do that. So, and then I have this vanity mirror that I was given, but it's not like, so the mirror is a tiny one, like the one I'm holding in my hand. It's not a big one, so I'm trying to figure out where to put it. I do have a table that would work, but then the table's too low. Like, it's just, yeah, so I don't know. I have to figure out how, if there's a way I can get something to hold it up, or so that I can see, because if you haven't noticed, I wear glasses, so I'm blind as a bat, so I can't see what I'm doing without a mirror. Not that anybody, even if you don't wear glasses, you can't see what you're doing, especially when it comes to like doing stuff like your brows and stuff like that. So for that reason, that's why I have to hold this mirror in my hand the whole time as I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, that's the thing. And then I use a cotton swab all the time to blend concealer. And then now I'm going to go ahead with my Sephora foundation. I don't believe I've shared this with you guys yet because I've just started using it. But I don't think I've done a video with it because I've been using the Smashbox Cosmetics one. But this one, like when I say it matches perfectly with my skin, like it looked like I didn't even put any foundation on. That's what I like about this, I'm gonna say this makeup, this foundation. See what I'm talking about? You don't even see it. It doesn't even look like I put anything on my face. It's like, mind you, like I was in Sephora for I'd say like 10 minutes. Just one of the I forgot what you call them, but the workers in the store, they gave me like the little sponges. Yes, a sponge. I don't know why I can't think right now. Yeah, they gave me one of the sponges, not like this big, but you know the tiny ones. And then I basically was testing out like the different foundations. So I feel like my Smashbox ones that I have, it's darker and in color, and that's mostly, I think, better for me when it's like summertime. That's if you even get to go outside due to everything that's happening now. But I normally, you get darker in the summer, so that complexion, that foundation works. But for this purpose, no, not especially. I've been inside all the time. My skin, but this one, like, it's perfect. Look, like this. Sorry, but this really amazed me when I actually put it on the first time. It was just like, it's like I'm not even wearing anything. That's how great it blends into my skin. And now, what am I doing? I'm looking for my concealer. No, okay, didn't get it yet. This is what happens. Me looking like my thing is organized, but at the same time, like, I'm looking for other things. So I'm using my e.l.f. Camo concealer in the color chocolate. And me with I just go everywhere with the concealer. I say this all the time, I'm no makeup guru. I will say I've progressed a lot since I started makeup, because before I did horrible. I didn't know what I was doing, but now, like, I pretty much have a routine of how I do my makeup. So I'm gonna use my Juvia Place Masquerade palette. Now, I was looking for my eyeshadow brush, and I don't know why I couldn't find it. So, yeah, bear with me as I do that, because, when you're trying to do something and you rush to do it and then you can't find nothing. That was me. I'm gonna use this color. I can't see the name from here, but Burka, I think it's called Burkina. I'll leave everything in the description box. While you're watching, don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500, and I have about 35, I think, left. Oh. Sometimes you're just trying to get out a number. It's like getting out of the 400. That's the goal. So I decided to go with this color. It's kind of like a brownish red. I was going for a darker red, but not for a red. I wanted to really go for a darker brown, but this worked because you see it, but it's not really visible. Got a little fallout going on. I fixed it after, but. don't know what I'm looking for now. Oh, highlighter. Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, I'm telling you guys wrong information. So for my lashes, I use the Maybelline Great Lash. I think it's the black is black, something like that. The black is, yeah. And then I'm going ahead with the Sephora Golden Hour. I also recently purchased this because the one that I normally use is starting to annoy me because it just makes too much mess. So this one works perfectly. I'm still like trying to, I never know where the proper way to do highlighter when it comes to my cheeks. My nose, that's different, but my cheeks is always something different. I put way too much, yeah. As long as I'm shining, right? Now I'm looking for my highlighter brush. Like this is my life. This is what happens. Am I shining? So that's it. I didn't do any lip color, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!